Awareness on the breath for a few rounds. Let's start the session with 3 rounds of Omkara. Each time you breathe in, as you breathe out, continue with the Om chanting. Inhale deeply. Arms together, Namaskara Mudra. Omkara and the Sahana Vavatu prayer all together. Sahana Vavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Sahaviryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Gently bow down. Take the blessings from the God of your choice. Now gently come up, release. Now this practice of yogic relaxation, you will preferably, it is better that you lie down on the mat and do it. Eyes closed, the body is totally relaxed. You just follow my instructions, how the way it is progressing from body aware, breath awareness, body awareness to visualization, taking a resolve. Yeah, so just follow the instructions. Don't be disturbed by the sounds which is coming from near you. So all of you lie down on the mat, or you can lie down on the cot. You're getting ready for the yoga nidra practice or the yogic relaxation. Eyes closed. You can adjust your body position so that there is no stiffness. Check that your head is in a comfortable position. Arms by the side, palm facing up. Those with severe back pain or stiffness around the back, you can keep the leg folded. Whichever leg stretch forward or leg folded, whichever is comfortable. But throughout the practice, next half an hour, you're not going to move your body. Just listen to the instructions. Become aware of your breath. It's only the breathing which is happening. Three rounds of deep breathing. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible. Breathe in slowly and deeply and breathe out as slowly as possible. Slow, deep breathe in. Breathe out slowly and feel the body totally collapsed on the mat, releasing all the stiffness. One more round of deep breathing. Inhale and exhale as slowly as possible to your full capacity. Now slowly let the breath come back to normal. Now become aware of the different sounds which come and go, moving the awareness from sound to sound. You're only listening, hearing. You're not thinking about it. Just listen to the different sounds. Move the awareness from sound to sound. Sound outside the room, far away sounds. Sounds inside the room. Awareness of the sound closer to you. Now become aware of the body lying on the mat or the cot. The body is lying still. Remind yourself that you're going to do the yoga nidra practice, the yogic relaxation, and you're not going to sleep throughout the next half an hour. You will listen to the instructions, the voice guiding you through the practice. Remind yourself that you're not going to sleep. Tell yourselves that I'm going to practice yoga nidra. So what does it do? Only with the hearing and the feeling. All the other senses are, you're stopping or letting go of all the other senses, only hearing and feeling. We begin the practice of the yogic relaxation. Now take a positive resolve, sankalpa, a short positive statement, and mentally repeat it in the mind 3 times. The same short positive statement. You repeat in the mind for 3 rounds. With feeling, with awareness, you're going to chant the sankalpa, resolve in the mind. Now rotation of awareness or rotation of consciousness. As each body part is being named, you shift the awareness from part to part. Don't stop at any particular part. Just as the body part is being named, the mind also goes to the part, moving to the different parts as it is being named. Awareness on the right hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, little finger, palm, back of the hand, wrist, the forearm, the right elbow joint, upper arm, the shoulder joint, armpit, side, the waist region, hip, the right thigh muscles, kneecap, calf muscle, ankle, the right foot, heel, sole of the foot, the big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe. Now shift the awareness to the left hand thumb, second finger, third, fourth, little finger, palm, back of the hand, the wrist joint, forearm, the left elbow joint, upper arm, the shoulder joint, armpit, side of the body, left waist, hip, the thigh muscles, kneecap, knee joint, calf muscle, ankle joint, the left foot, heel, sole of the foot, big toe, second, third, fourth, little toe. Awareness on the whole of the right arm, the right leg, left leg. Shift the awareness to the back. Observe the lower back totally collapsed on the mat. Awareness on the hip, touching the mat, the lower back totally collapsed on the mat. Stay there for a few breaths. Now moving along the spine, releasing all the stiffness. Bring the awareness to the middle back. Check how the muscles in the middle back feel. Further moving up, again releasing all the stiffness, tension, awareness on the upper back, the shoulder blade, shoulder. Observe the upper back totally collapsed on the mat. Stay there for a few breaths. Now shift the awareness to the neck joint, releasing any stiffness from the neck joint. Awareness on the head region, back of the head, crown of the head, side of your head. Awareness on the forehead, temple region, eyebrows, joint of the eyebrows, eyes, the eyelids, eyelashes, eyeballs. Awareness on the cheeks, ears, right ear, left ear, back of the ears. Awareness on the nose bridge, the side of the nose, the nostrils. Observe the breathing, awareness on the tip of the nose. Watch the breath. Feel the in-breath, out-breath. Breathing happening on its own. No effort involved. Awareness on the lips, the upper jaw, lower jaw, tongue, throat. Have a smile on your lips and feel the instant calmness to all the facial muscles. Awareness on the chin, the neck muscles, collarbone, the shoulder. Awareness on the chest, rib cage, rib muscles. Awareness on the navel region, abdominal muscles, and the pelvic region. Observe the whole body from head to toes, up to the fingertip. Whole body totally collapsed on the mat. The whole body lying still. Now become aware of the body lying on the mat and feel the meeting point of the body in contact with the floor. From your feet, you move slowly, start moving your awareness and feel where all the body part is touching the floor, the sensation at that particular part of the body. Just move the awareness. Don't stop at any particular part. Just move the awareness from the heel, from the foot upward, moving to the back, the shoulder, the head region, your arms. Bring the awareness and observe your face. The line where the eyelids are touching each other, the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid. Feel the sensation there. Don't open your eyes, the eyes are closed. Now bring the awareness to the lips, the upper and the lower lip meeting point. Observe the line there. Observe the sensation at that point. Bring the awareness back to the breath. Observe the breathing. Feel the slow rhythmic breath. Check how the breath feels. Is the breathing balanced? Or is one nostril breathing is more prominent than the other nostril? Now move your awareness to a little away from the nostril and visualize the prana coming in a little away from the nostril and entering the nostril through the nose. As you breathe in and feel the breath moving out of the nostril to a point little away from the nostril. Similarly, again visualize the prana moving in through the nostril. And as you breathe out of the nostril to a little away from the nostril, visualize for one more round. Now awareness of the different sensation in the body. Now awaken the feeling of cold. Imagine that you're in a cold place or suddenly you're feeling feverish and the whole body is shivering. Feel the sensation of cold right throughout the whole body from head to toes up to the fingertip. Concentrate on the left nostril. Feel the breath moving in and out of the left nostril and experience the cold. As you visualize the breathing through the left nostril, visualize the body becoming cold. The whole body, feeling of cold throughout the whole body. Now breathe in, and as you breathe out, let go. Now visualize that the heat is surrounding the whole body. Suddenly you're feeling so hot that you've started sweating. Visualize the feeling of heat throughout the whole body, from the head up to your fingertip to the toes. Now bring the awareness to the right nostril. Visualize the prana moving in and out of the right nostril. As you visualize the right nostril breathing, feel the whole body is getting heated up from head to toes. Develop the feeling of heat throughout the whole body as you're visualizing the right nostril breathing. The whole body is getting heated up. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, let go. Now recollect any pain, any incident which caused pain. Try and recollect that feeling of pain. It could be a physical pain or an emotional or a mental pain. And feel how the body felt during that time. When the body is in pain, how does it feel? How does the mind work? How is the breath? Feel the pain. Awaken the feeling of pain. You can just visualize any time you had a pain and how did the body feel? How did the mind feel? How did you react? Manifest the experience of pain throughout the whole body, physical, mental. Now breathe in, and as you breathe out, let go. Now recollect the feeling of happiness or the pleasure of hearing a good news, or you achieved something and you're feeling happy, thrilled about the news that you have just heard. And visualize that feeling of happiness throughout the whole body. How does the body feel? How does the mind feel when you're happy? Just recollect the feeling of happiness, the ecstasy that you're feeling, and check how the whole body is reacting to this feeling of happiness from head to toes up to the fingertip. Visualize and Relive that feeling of happiness. Inhale, and as you exhale, let go. Now bring the awareness to the nose strip again. Breathe in, breathe out as slowly and deeply as possible. Try and imagine that you're doing the Ujjayi breathing. So Ujjayi breathing, the sound of the breath is heard. So inhale and exhale deeply so that the sound of the breath is heard. Mouth is closed, and as you breathe out, the ha sound with the mouth closed. Feel that you're listening to the sound of the ocean. You're standing in front of the ocean and you're listening to the sound of the waves. How does it feel? The calmness. Continue with the Ujjayi breathing. Stop the deep breathing. As you continued with the Ujjayi breath, hearing the sound of the ocean, feel the mind enjoying that calmness. Now become aware of the any thoughts which come and go, spontaneous thoughts. Just become aware of it, observe and let go. Now bring the awareness to the eyebrow center. Visualize a picture of Om at the eyebrow center, the Ajna chakra, the symbol of Om. Visualize the symbol of Om at the joint of the eyebrows. You're mentally chanting Om in the mind, visualizing the Om picture. Continue looking at the picture. Visualize the color of the Om, the shape of the Om at the joint of the eyebrows. See the expansion and contraction of Om there at the joint of the eyebrows. The symbol of Om is expanding and then narrowing down. Visualize the shape of the Om, the color of the Om. Even if you're not able to visualize, just continue with the mental chanting of Omkara. At the joint of the eyebrows, awareness is on the joint of the eyebrows. Continue with the mental chanting of Om. With the rhythm of the breath, you can synchronize the Om chanting with the breath. Chant in the mind. Breathe in Om. Breathe out Om. Visualize the picture of Om expanding and then becoming smaller and smaller. Now stop the mental chanting of Omkara. Again, visualize the sound of the ocean, the sound of the sea, how calming, the calming effect it has on the mind, how relaxed you feel. Now gently become aware of the breath. Check how the breath feels. Enjoy the slow rhythmic breathing. Now try and remember your resolve, sankalpa, and again mentally repeat it 3 times. The same sankalpa that you took at the start of the session. Remember the sankalpa and mentally repeat it 3 times. After you have repeated the resolve, now become aware of the whole body lying still on the mat. Maintain your awareness of the breath. Just observe the normal breathing and then awareness of the body. How is the breath? What are the sensations that you feel in your body? Become aware of the body lying still. The whole body lying still on the floor. Now visualize the room where you're lying down. Observe the body lying still on the mat. Listen to any sounds that come and go. Listen to the different sounds. Become aware of the body. What are the other things that you can visualize in the room? Is there a clock? Can you listen to the sound of the clock? Or any other object in the room which you can visualize? Visualize the room. Complete awareness on the body lying on the mat. Give gentle movement to your toes. Move the fingers. You can fold your arms, stretch your arms up and down. Feel the calmness, the silence. Continue to maintain this calm, silent state as long as you can. You're still lying on the mat, eyes are closed. Now bring the palms together, rub the palms, generate enough warmthness. Make a cup out of it and place it over the eyes. Continue to feel the warmth. Gently rub the facial muscles, the neck muscles. Move your arm around the head, around the shoulder, your arms, the chest, abdominal muscles, the back, the thigh muscles down to your leg where you can reach. Take your time. Turn your body to right and left. Turn to either side, whichever is comfortable. Stay there for a few breaths. Let the eyes remain closed. In this calm, silent state, let's all chant the Shanti Mantra, praying for the welfare of everybody. You can chant the prayer softly, palms together in Namaskara Mudra. Omkara all together, breathe in. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः, सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Gently bow down, expressing your gratitude to the elders, your parents, your gurus. With a few blinks, open the eyes. Thank you. Hope you all